guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I told you that I will be giving you the room review of the hotel Andorras Beach and Resort. So this is the video all about that. So before starting the video, this hotel is a place where you want to go if you want a very chill vibe, you don't want too much sound, if you really want to just relax. This place is a must. Right now in December, everything is really expensive, but this place is comparatively still better than all other hotels. Also guys, before starting the video, I want to talk about an amazing product. As you know, I love reviewing products. Today I will be reviewing this product, which is the oil-free day cream by Wow Skin Science. Actually, the good part about this product is, one, it is oil-free, especially when you are in Goa. It's already so humid, you don't want something which is really oily, number one. And it's a day face cream. It's a normal moisturizer, like you know you would use any face cream. So while even using it, it is not at all sticky. It is gliding through the skin. It says that it's non-oily. I just want to check whether without being oily, does it moisturize my skin or not. I don't think it's giving any oily texture to my skin, and yet it's really moisturizing. I haven't used this cream yet. I'm using it right now because I specially got it here. I wanted to check like how well it will be in a humid area, because something of this sort you want in summers, right? I think it's really good and it really worked well. And this is just for 499 rupees, guys. It's a 50 ml bottle, and I think if you're using it every day, it will be there for like 2 months at least, because I don't use a lot of cream. I would use like 2 pumps max. This product will stay for longer, and for that price I think it's really amazing. So guys, that was all about this product. Let's just move into the video, because I'm sure that you must be excited about seeing the entire resort. So let's go. So guys, that's the entrance. I am at the Andorras Beach and Resort. It's at Calangute. It's a very silent kind of a resort. If you are planning to just chill and you don't want much of noise, I think this is the perfect place for you. So right here is the reception. And there's no one right now on the reception. So, but it's very beautiful, like kind of really antique-y look. That's what I felt, and that's the entire vibe. And we can see the Christmas tree here, and love these candles. They look really nice when they are lit up at night. It has a very dark theme at night to this resort, because it's all about, you know, relaxing and all. So they haven't put like a lot of lighting or something of that sort at all. Beautiful tree out there. And so here we have all the staff rooms and everything on top, some lounges. So there's this little shop just in case you want to shop something. Like I've said, they have a very antique-y vibe. So there are things that just in case you want to buy, they have like antique pieces. And this is a restaurant which is closed right now. And I think it's a Italian restaurant right to the pool. I can't show you much because it's closed. It has certain times. I think it's only open at the evening. So mostly it has all that calm and everything, that kind of a vibe. As you can see, like you can't hear much backdrop noises because there's none. I just love like how green it is. It's got huge trees. And even this is lit up at night, so it looks lovely. They have diyas. Like every aspect that would give you a calm effect is what they are trying to provide you. So these are all the rooms. My room is this one on top, and that's the pool right there. So these are the rooms out here, and this is the pool. Right now the water is really cold, so I am not planning to go inside. I really wanted to go and enjoy the pool, but it's really cold, so not in plans. I don't know how these kids are just having fun, maybe because they are kids. So now right here we have breakfast restaurant. It's an open restaurant. The good thing about this particular restaurant is I really loved it, like how it's all open, and you know the music, if you can hear, it gives you all kind of like a different vibe altogether. Hello. And so that's like an open kitchen. Again, a very good thing. You can just sit there if you want to eat, chill here anytime. Love the music though. And this is just like a sitting area, like, you know, chill and have fun. I really like, because there are huge trees here, so you want to just play around. I think if you have kids, you can just make them have fun here. Though it's not a huge resort, but they have done everything within the given area. I like that they have, you know, put together all of it. So right here is the pool for kids, and like, there's just written baby pool rules. And love these cute little vessels. Good part is that right now they are giving discount on a lot of things, like even on spas. Let's go ahead, just check it out once. So they also have a gym here, gym, spa, everything. So as it is a spa, it already has all that calm vibe. So right here is their foot lounge, steam room and treatment room. So treatment would be like, you know, spas and everything. And that's where the gym is. So they have like a very small space for their entire spa and gym. So if you are a person who really wants to work out, then you should not come to this resort if you're so specific and you really need a good gym. But otherwise, if you just want to chill, you can come here. Right now it's like for 12,000 plus taxes. That would cost you like 14,000, because this is the year ending, so everything becomes really expensive. So it will be, though it's a steal right now, because other hotels are really expensive. So I think if you are just planning to come and relax, this is the perfect hotel. And yes, now is the time to check out the rooms and the view from there. So let's go. So guys, this is the room. I think the room is lovely. I mean, it's a very different and very, I loved it. And that's the balcony, that's the pool there. It's beautiful. Lovely place. Let's just check the washroom. I think washroom is also decent. Any which ways we have to go to the beaches and pool, so it doesn't really matter. So guys, that was all in the video for today. Hope you like it. Just in case you really want to come here, I have told you everything. If this property suits you well, you can come here. Even right now I've told you the prices. It's still like decent enough from other hotels in Goa, because it's really expensive right now. Guys, I hope you like the video. I hope it will help you. Also guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle. I'll be coming up with more videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.